even if it isn't a pirate toast. Whatever you come up with, just add an R at the end of it. We'll call it a... Wait a minute, I'm coming with you. You're first, okay? Hold on, you gotta learn how to win this, folks. Whatever it is you come up with, end it with an R. We'll call it a dangling modifier. And then we'll send you a shot of rum. And if it gets to you, it's yours. Now, you have pirate toast. Let's see how this is done. That's simple enough. Excuse me, good sir. Will you do me the favor of handing her a shot of rum? And one for the anniversary people. That's 2 more. And you can have a shot of rum for sending them to them. See how we do this? Very easy, eh? Who else has got one for us? Anybody else? A little early? Who's the anniversary ones? Stand up. Stand up before you fall down. There we go. Watch them, folks. Watch them. They'll change color. How many years are you celebrating? Wow. That's love. Quick, she says. How many? How many? How many? 16 years of marriage of bliss, huh? Somebody answer this question for me. Somebody once told me, they said that love is blind, right? In his marriage, an eye-opener. Drum to him. Give me a hand, folks. That's beautiful. 16 years.